Hey, what's up guys, Barney here, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool tutorial on how to do some really cool stuff, okay? I'm going to do like an invention tutorial stuff. So, first one is how to make a doorbell, so I'll just do creative, off, on, off. Okay, so okay. Yeah, this is a good place to do it. So let's just build a small house. So I'm just gonna spawn a donkey. Or not. I'll spawn loads of horses. I think that's enough horses. Anyway, I'm probably really peeing you off, so let's get right on with this. Build a small house. We need a button. That's just stone. And a repeater. Get redstone. No block. Yeah, and door. Okay, just do a quick design. Oh, for God's sake. So, okay, I'll just...
What did you do? You said you wanted to watch a bit, so I let you watch a bit. I said I wanted to watch a bit. He didn't tell you. I didn't even know you wanted to go on. You could just say it.
Ignore the commotion up there, it's just them two being annoying. So, yeah, okay.
Okay, look. I'm going on. You've been on and Mum said that it's my turn. I didn't know you were on the media though. You could have just told me that. Pardon? I didn't say anything. You did. I didn't know you were allowed on the media, Rami. You could have told me that.
If you don't mind, I'm just going to, leave this silent, so I'll be right back in a second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Can't mute anything, so we'll just stick with this. Here is the house.
Mum said that I can go back on.
So,
I'm going back on.
here is the doorbell post. Let's just check something here. Okay, put it here. In fact, okay, I'll make this video quick because I'm about to go on Halo in a minute. Okay, that should work. Yeah, it works, okay. You can cover this up whether you want to or not. It's just something you can do. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. If you want to do it, choose yours. But yeah, I'll leave it like this for now. And then but yeah, that's how you do it. If you're going to cover it up like this, make sure you leave a block above, otherwise the load block won't work. Demonstration. So, always leave a block above. So, that will do this. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You literally put a button there, and behind it you put some redstone, and then you do down here, and then you do it round, put that there. Then normally I do it on 3 ticks, but you can do it on 2 ticks. That sounds good as well. Also, sometimes even 1 tick sounds good. Sometimes maybe even 0 ticks, but it's a bit too fast. But yeah, that's all I have to show you for this episode. I'll finish with a bit of fun. Okay, fun. This is my impression of fun. Whoa, I actually thought that wouldn't blow up the whole house. Iron! Yeah! Bye bye iron. Now to finish with, I'll do a big pole. Okay. Oh, this isn't working for me. Oh Lord, okay. I'll just have to do it the hard way. Oh, it kills doing that. I'll just do this. Ooh, you're nodding. Yeah, hello, little skeleton. I will surround you. You know what surround is. It not nice. Okay, if that is how you want to play, I will surround you no matter what. You'll never get out, no matter what. No matter how much you want to get out, you won't get out. He might be dead, I don't know. Finally, I'll do this. Oh. TNT, you have to make everything so hard. There we are. Aww. I'll just... Yep, this will work. I'm just gonna get flint and steel. Flint and steel. Bye. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Leave it. Ooh. Hello, little creeper. You're about to get killed by your own kind. How do you feel about that, creeper? You creep me out, creeper. Okay, you cannot get out. Okay, this is gonna be lols. Okay, he's dead. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. What are you doing just standing there? Anyway, see you later, guys. Leave a like, subscribe.